Regarding the recent incident involving Hawa Koomson at Ablekuma North, it's essential to clarify that she wasn't beaten by the police. Instead, she was assaulted by unidentified thugs during the parliamentary rerun elections on July 11, 2025. Here's a summary of the events. Koomson celebrated Bɛatɛn. Artista bold of Merciless Nations on soccer team 18 and Seg 1818. Unidentified individuals arrived at the Odorkor Methodist 1 polling station in a pickup vehicle, forcibly entering the premises and overpowering police officers. The thugs assaulted several people, including Hawa Koomson, the former member of parliament for Awutu Senya East. A viral video captured the moment Koomson was pushed to the ground and subjected to physical abuse. The police promptly intervened, removing Koomson from the scene and escorting her to safety. In a related incident, a police officer was seen assaulting journalist Bɛatɛn of GH1TV. The officer has been interdicted and referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for investigation.
You're beating someone here. There's too much chaos here. Yeah, the police is stopping the people from coming. What is he doing there? The serious here is that they are oh man.
So that is the fight that is happening right inside the Odorkor Methodist Church. What we saw were that we saw some marksmen enter the premises. So what should we do? So what should we do?
Yes, they just entered, they just fought their way through.
At the polling station here. Ablekuma.
We are going too far.
There's still chaos here.
Chale.
So these are some of the scenes, the sights and sounds that you are seeing in here at the Ablekuma.
Men can't assembly. He came to ask me, Mr. Ghana, you know what? Make an election. He slapped me in the face. As a media person.
Okay.
This man, he will not from very soon.
No, he slapped the guy. He slapped the guy because the woman confessed he slapped the guy. The policeman, I don't know, he has a very high temper. I was standing here. He tapped me to move. And I said, I'm the mayor. Then he jumped back. Imagine me being arrogant too, like I'll come home upon you. So we don't want the police to listen to us and bring someone who is very calm here because the place is calm before the policeman. This man came in.
Na onte say akra me your 100 Ghana. Me amadamfo 100 Ghana na pe ni ngumo say 120 no. O de man nkrofo. O de man nkrofo no de atokoko. Koko. 95.1. Koko sika 20 Ghana. Sa from zoni ho.
electoral process is there. Maybe I need to use maybe I know. Maybe I use to for. If we use man, maybe I thought be a better team. I thought be so I be cool. Maybe I use said me I thought na what purpose? Quite a bit faster. I'll be. Make us a Bibiano, any electoral commission and the whole point is that the commission is ready to learn from their mistakes and correct them out. We should applaud them and also encourage them to continue to do better.
Would you say who mistakes in the first place? Do they really see their mistakes? Looking at the fact that they are Tuaba, mayhem to me see, Bentimu was Basabasa to me, Bania to me at Tuaba. Now, baby, the electoral commission for Krata, Kogu, any BVDs, no. I'm and they recollation, electoral commission, no, I about one has on one be. You have to rely on the political parties, no. What would you move from so to mana, Sakraya BS, or you move to me yet?
Electoral commission processes a for some years. Make us say from 1992, Ebepim Sabrino. Yakuinim, Nemo, the Bresun Ohio CA. Ushe other countries they have developed their electoral process, Cecilia Quadianca, and Yafi now quiet Tallinn in paperwork, be digitized.
Yeah.
Into 2 Abana of Honano. The result is already sitting in a server somewhere. And this is a church paper sooner you are transmitting to one center to the other. And to make us the electoral commission international share Omujimedianum. We are in a very digitalized society and community. And to say a beshena say Ghana, you share community, yes, and ye ubiana yes technology savvy. But yeah adopted technology na boy and send so I want to mention a parties suspicion now we are cofapping shit. Now we have to find ways because how can the whole electoral commission organize the election? We'll say because of vandalism, you don't even have access to copies or duplicate of your own thing sheets, and you rely on the party's documents. Mammy,
Samin said, "No, we have a press conference now. We are more office here. Or much more the current year. Osha and someone here bossman about 2 days. Looking at what happened during the Tesano. Recollation ma ekami and we are CSA Ekuonaba 19 police stations, and he's explaining why now they backtrack from 3 to 19. Etoasum.
Niema say NAI suspicion a baby because as a commission, one my assurance, I think a week or 2 ago, Omoko Parliament.
Yeah.
They could answer questions. They can say, oh, they are on top of the situation. There's no need for a rerun and all the rest. Only for us to hear later say, oh, this guy assuming now or say a run. The suspicion from the parties I be brave. But it is a 2 major parties who might take it very different positions at different ends of the pool. So they are moving in parallel. They never have a point of convergence and dangerous. And since our suspicion of the commission, yes, enough I have to arrive. So what we can say electoral commission is not fit for purpose and which NSA a rerun at me by other parties then there's some force being exerted on the electoral commission.
Interview
it's because of that position in your kind the new outcome the other parties who think agents say nature say electoral commission is being forced to do something against their will. But at the end of the electoral commission, you can who say it is a constitutionally mandated institution. And see, we are independent. They say, "Omu yomojuma," and this will be a better almost saying also yojuma because omu nimni also muye. And they should be also independent-minded and strong. Such a way say they cannot be manipulated by whichever person is in government or has power or authority because they are close with power by the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. So much means Ejinasa Ebeboa. But electoral commission for a very long time, posting APUUTOO in a very bad light, and they are always at the receiving end of criticism. And Mwa. Intimate says electoral commission, who say authority on their own, and they can do their work without fear or favor and with no bias. Okay, Dr. Faijan.
Yeah.
With the electoral commission, for many years, there were times that people don't trust or believe in what they've done. But at the end of the day, they receive the results and they take it in good faith and we move on.
Yeah.
Okay, but I just say elections are won at the polling station, which means making sure say whatever has to be done at the polling station is done and the results are taken now. Then you go out, go your way. But I say, we actually say electoral commission make me manipulate or more and ask make me say na me pay for her.
That's where the worry is. I mean, Osha said the Anieme with the 2024 elections here 2 years. mayhem bebrebe ekọ so amanfo hyehye ballot papers wo mo kọ no wo mo ba a party benefited some way somehow in government now. A party is also 88 in parliament. And looking at what happened at that time, do you think say kwanya ye twa ye sana ye twa nei ebeboa ye electoral processes and I say ye retrogress? Looking ahead, no, we might slip off at a point.
At this point, the maker say it is too early to say. Even though say who say niamani bi ho senka omo hwe omo niamami yanka ba ye ene so ye dai ni ye hwe emba. The mum maker say electoral commission no mistakes of mine that them emeretwem no ye nsia de mfim na ye nhwe say ye massa niamani NCBM na uhwe previously aban women wabem sisia no previous no more opposition and no money electoral commission and it said they be on trenches na aban so say there be electoral commission ni kwan so and ne as opposition said there be electoral commission is being manipulated by the ruling government. That's in my stop.
95.1.
The political parties should leave the electoral commission alone. They should allow the commission to work as an independent commission. They say whatever it is, you say politicians whoever is in government, it doesn't mean say the other party they don't get anything. Now politicians they are only looking out for their interest. And if they can allow the commission to work, whoever comes into government should have the interest of the state or the country at heart. We enjoy it and we work and make sure that Ghana is a better place.
As an institute, what would you recommend? Ablekuma, we would go to Akwess very soon. There's a way electoral commission here nothing has changed much after 2024 elections. What happened in other constituencies are more mayhem near DSC, Damango, what they say, Ablekuma Central, Ablekuma North, other places, what would be your advice to the electoral commission?
Matters the electoral commission, and they should have a very good working relationship with the security agencies, especially the Ghana Police Service, which provides security internally. Because political parties are more interested, they will always want to do something to turn the tables in their favor. Name say security agencies maybe they should anticipate say these are the likely security situations they be facing, so that they take precautions and news other channels ten be one of the police stations. Some say brown khaki whatever claiming they were security. It be someone to provide identification and stuff they could not until they say police for with the party should stop clothing people and arming them, say omunko kosi mayhem or police stations. Elections are a peaceful activity. Let the people go and vote peacefully and go to their homes. Forgetting if you say am I for to abano next time we pray for election on to abano until vote now here no you will not get it. Until let's create a peaceful voting environment and let the populace go and vote peacefully. No obianko ni fi a brave one ya kan abano the obedi nkunim no na ye declare no near obedi kukosu no onko fi onko tenase no draw the plan as to what to do next. Ye beko akwetia local constituency needs police station. Beka say any national election this time a constituency. And since the electoral commission need security agencies will collaborate here, they should beef up security such a way say there won't need a jumedi or police station where unko na honyeshe. Uko aba na okofi. Ebresune kanya utmiko ekojina from a distance and observe the counting. They declare wouldn't kunima when kunima wakofi. Na
afutuo am say 2024 anfa.
Enukre anfa, but I think no you see them bebre. Yehu and society bebre so about on my name in terms of the security agencies and the leadership and all the rest. I'm hoping say electoral commission and security agencies no better nasi. I preempt to say these are the possible challenges we face. Where are the hotspots? what do we need to do? Then putting measures making sure say that batabasayo and I say issues yabana no coin.
Right, now I say say whether you've observed what is going on in Ablekuma at the moment and you have any initial comments or to say about what is going on at the moment.
Yes, news reports are making yes, call, but then like I said earlier, no, a police for actually Bɛatɛn be from one police station, or Mukoha City, and I make us say, if you don't have business there, if you are not accredited to work there, Miss Sewa and Koho and Koe Basabasabia and Fabasabasabiamba. And that Omamu Yajman Swohono is Mr. Mata Mumanin now, na Ijbanenko. Another story I met is a police need be any journalist. I'm a journalist.
If they have to watch the elections, I don't have any right to start from here. He slapped me in the face for no reason. Men young, men cash, men can't assembly. He came to ask me, what make election? He slapped me in the face. As a media person.
Okay.
This man, he will learn from me very soon.
Okay, what are your rank, Ben? Okay.
Blue rope.
Okay.
Okay. And look, I was there. He just approached me, so I'm slow. I'm watching the election.
Okay, so this is the officer. Wait. It's police officer now or board journalist no assumo one no ena or that camera ni mo ewa hand no say no. No any.
Just stop in the face. Masa, I don't know Where the guy?
Okay, police officer say no.
I wish that Accra Mayor can actually, have a take on Mayor. Very good man. But we are live, eh? So this is my media guy there. He's been slapped in the face by a police personnel. And I don't know if you want the policeman. I don't know. He has a very high temper. Yeah. I was standing here. He tapped me to move, and I said, "I'm the mayor." Yeah. Then he jumped back. Imagine me being arrogant too, like I'll come home upon you. So we don't want the police to listen to us and bring someone who is very calm here, because the place is calm before the policeman. This man came in, so they should bring a new person here to force law and order here. We beg them. Someone might be saying this line, but I can actually see a scar on his face. No, he has slapped the guy. He slapped the guy because the woman confessed he slapped the guy. So we beg that we don't know why. We don't know the color of the police, because it looks like he has a different color. It looks like it's an NPP man, because the way he tapped me here, he has his colleagues can tell you. He was tapping me to go out. Then he realized I was the mayor. Then he relaxed. You don't do that. You don't treat people anyhow. You don't have to treat people. You have to know people before you treat them right. We are all Ghanaians. No one is above the law. Me, if I'm the mayor today, it doesn't mean I'm above the law. But the man there trying to mishandle people anyhow, it's not right. But Mayor, what is the immediate solution now? Look at the scar. I can see he slapped the guy. So we beg the police, they should move the man out from here so that they will be calm here, because we're having our peace here before this man came in. So they should move this man from here for everybody to have peace. Thank you very much. Michael Bakwalote is the Accra mayor, and that was his take on this very issue. But let me take the final words from the media personnel. You said, how far are you going with this one? I just want to take your final
to report this issue to the regional commander at Accra and see what, because currently, George, the issue here is I've not done anything wrong to anybody. And I'm here as a watchman. And we are all here as watchmen, okay? So I've not done anything wrong to anybody. So if he just comes to approach me to leave the premises, we are all watchmen here. So what if something happened at my back? How would I report the issue? So I'll just tell the commander that this is what happened. And I'll make sure I'll capture his name. Understand? So that I will, master, look, what is going on here is very bad. The man just came here and slapped me for no reason. So I have witnesses here. That's what I can say for about it.
This is your final word. You are a witness. You saw everything. It's say no. When we say journalist, how do you feel as a citizen?
Well, the way the officer did is very, very bad. Because I was there. I was standing with this guy then. I was standing with him. When he pushed that guy says no, he can't go anywhere. He's working.
But did he protest?
No.
Like, was he trying to protest?
No. He doesn't. So he doesn't.
So he is a witness to the incident, and clearly the media personnel wants to go far with this one, ensure that he writes a petition to the IGP to act upon this very issue. But according to the Accra Mayor, would also insist that the police officer is moved from this very area to ensure some sort of calm here, pardon me. And so this is the scene here. The traffic has been cleared a little.
Now, make say security agencies say, enye gidi eni edi ejuma no. Mo mo ni nda ho. So be baso a journalist. Journalists, I sure say journalists will free an accredited media house be able to be no. Ukita ID card or accreditation. They should verify these things. Saying yes, a brown or brown pan the DB. So on ye to the foot on Kodichi and Uncle Fee. The on person require no much so the mood in a station near Moonin Bedu, so no money I could do her, and yet a brownie.
Na onte say Accra me your 100 Ghana. Me madam fu 100 Ghana and penny ni gumo say 120 no. Or the man in Crawford from the Atokoko. 95. Eh Koko sika 20 Ghana. Say from zoni ho. Okay.
Minimum sapphire.
Oh, make us say from Sony home. A inducement.
E mo munidi.
Na, nsi sanya abato abetu na nka unidi. Ama for me do be me say enso aduabo. Bia ye de bia person ti be free positions same. We hear say abanu to we no okon onya a mandate no kwa. Oni mu bio until the next 4 years and until the next election. We say we should learn to save ourselves. Then we can hold them accountable. No a problem with Krumha. Because ye GBB film on it, do say hold them accountable in me, yes, Jumano.
And Rakra could campaign or got to damn if you be more Papa catches and what if you own your money into her. That's what we need to Academy money.
95.1.
As I said, our mind we a pastor said to do. Oh, a pastor said to do. Yes, and Christian Kofubi who trium. Now, Ubabobia, and yet because of election. We shall not na Sitemunya, maybe a one of Famano, but men came in do election now. Look at me, mouse a cocoa. And you go on our friend Coco Momano. Nancy, say, ye election will debut. Well, yeah, best saying, she. Now, or the man as Obejia, Udina, some dream nako. Men cast a nunti. Or the mama, I always have this philosophy say, tell me what hot me got to about. That's the Uba. Ufi party A, with the mammy and Meji. Party B, with the mammy and Meji. But me could boost Numa, me and a minimum to Abano. 95.1. That should not influence my decision on Niami to Abanamano. A pempino, no, hang. Ye train and say, this can an air, the Akotuaman, Ubia Keke. Or this cabbage, no qua. Or a first canoe, I was a finding Sicano. And Rasta Uti lecture a Professor Bowley, my oligona. Corruption inside the chassis. Near what you feel the Siano. Also, a baby, as you say, exactly. And to saying I in himself, or quack the Juma Abwa Mina. The Sebishana, who near some catch him in a Trasuma, Metrama, who call Nasa one Quidmania. Next time we buy me to my view. We almost are
you came and ensured that everything came outside. Just walk us through the decision and why you asked the presiding officer to bring everything outside.
Actually, I had a call, that they had mounted a polling station in the church. So I came and sacked them from the church because we don't mount polling stations in the church. we mount polling stations outside so that everybody can see what goes on.
And so now that's happening. It's paused voting a bit. Some will say it's disrupted the process to an extent.
Oh, it has not disrupted the process. At least we can give them, I don't know, but if we spend about 10 or 15 minutes to get back, we would extend the time to about 15 minutes. So maybe we'll close around 5:15 instead of 5.
You've been to other places. What have you observed? Have we seen similar? Because the concern from the people here was that it was inside and they wanted it outside. Have we seen similar, or it's been relatively smooth in all of the night?
The only place that I've seen that they have mounted the polling station inside. This is the only polling station that I've seen that they have mounted. I had a call. I was outside. I had a call. That's why I came here.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Right, and so that's the Gladys Pinkra. She is the head of the Greater Accra EC, and coming through and ensuring that in the immediacy these tents are being mounted. Perhaps I'll try and go back to some of the individuals I spoke to and gauge their opinions as well, because they were vehemently opposed to the polling station being inside. Now their wish has been granted. Initially, now per se, polling station I am not
the one.
Okay.
The truth must be told. Before time, we both agreed, because of the rain and other things, we should do the thing indoors. Two polling agents each. We all agreed. Voting was going on smoothly, more than close to an hour or so later. Then people came and they said we should bring it outside. My question was, we both agreed, two leaders agreed to have it inside. So if you are bringing it outside, there should be consensus. If there's no consensus, how can one person decide to bring it outside? In the end, we judge peace prevail. But our suspicion has been met. As soon as the box was brought down, look at the confusion and what's going on. Because we knew this will not happen. Initially, we agreed after the voting, we will bring the ballot out, count it for everybody to see. That was what we agreed. Now they said we should bring it outside. We are not afraid. It's election. We are confident we will win. We can even take it to heavens. We will still survive. What we want is peace. But our suspicion has been met. We knew if this thing come outside, this thing...
Well, for now, what it is that we're seeing is they are trying to set up the polling station because it has been brought outside, and then voting will proceed. Do you have any concerns that when it's brought outside there could be something?
That is our suspicion. We believe the police will follow the law, act strictly, and adhere to the rules and regulations of the poll. That's the only thing we want, because we suspect after the election, pandemonium will break loose here.
Because I hear in December, this was one of the areas which was very hot.
And that is why when we agreed to make it indoors, you were here. If you will be truthful, everything was going on smoothly.